Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to hard reset your Redmi 14C. So let's say, for instance, if you have issues with your phone and you'd like to perform a hard reset, or if you'd like to give this phone to someone else, you can simply perform a hard reset to erase all your data. Now, to perform a hard reset, you have to power off your device. So simply power off your device by pressing the power button and the volume up button together. So press those buttons together simultaneously. And then this will bring up the power menu. All you have to do is slide up to the power off option, and that will power off your Redmi 14C. Now, once your device is powered off, the next thing you'll have to do is press the power button and the volume up button together until you see the Android logo. And then once you see the Android logo, release the power button, but keep pressing the volume up button to access the recovery mode. So all you have to do is press the power button and the volume up button together. So press them up together. And then once you see the Android logo, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. And there you go. You have now successfully entered the Xiaomi HyperOS recovery mode. Now, within the recovery mode, to scroll down or to go through to the next option, you'll use the volume up or the volume down button, as you can see. And then if you'd like to select, simply use the power key to select that particular option. Now, since we want to hard reset this device, all you have to do is go to the wipe data option and then use the power button to select it. And then scroll down and select the wipe all data, and then press the power button to confirm. And then you should see this warning: confirm wipe off all data. This action cannot be undone. So if you'd like to hard reset your device, simply tap on confirm, and then it will now perform the hard reset. So give it a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on how much data you have. Now, once it's done, you should see this option, data wipe successfully. And then all you have to do is select using the power button and go back to the main menu. So select the power button and go to the main menu. And then within the main menu, all you have to do is simply select Reboot. And then simply from the options that appear, select Reboot to System. So press the power button to select it, and that will reboot your device. And then once it restarts, you'll now go back to the setup menu or the setup page, whereby you have to now set up your device again. So let's just wait. And then once it boots up, you'll have now to set it up again afresh so that you can use your phone. So that's basically it on how to perform a hard reset on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.